Someone has hammered each and every one into the bark. That someone is actually a band of little bright-eyed, clown-faced acorn woodpeckers. The trees are their prized possessions because every autumn they produce a windfall. Thousands upon thousands of nutritious acorns. The acorns are woodpecker gold, high in vitamins, minerals, fats, and protein. Collecting them is the woodpecker's obsession. The acorns are ferried back up to the tree and packed into small holes pecked out for the purpose. This turns acorns into treasure, a seasonal abundance that can be made to last.